Hello, everyone. Today we begin with Barıs Baktas through one of the more unusual fan debates around Sevdicim Sunsin. Whether Sivan Demir is a role beneath him or a role that may secretly help him. After Çiçekleri, many fans expected Barıs to move from one central male lead position into another, and when he appeared in an ensemble where he was not the main advertised romantic hero, some viewers framed it as underuse. That reaction is emotionally understandable, but professionally simplistic. Actors do not build sustainable careers only by remaining the central fantasy. They build them by proving they can create pressure, atmosphere, and memory even when the script does not orbit them. Yagmur Yuksel is facing the opposite perception problem with Çiçekleri. Her role as Hyle is not yet fully visible, so fans are not complaining about underuse. They are inflating possibility. Social posts around her return describe it almost poetically, as though Yagmur is stepping back onto the screen, not merely with a role, but with a new emotional identity. That anticipation can be helpful, because it gives her comeback energy, but it is also risky, because the role must eventually become concrete. If Hyle is smaller than fans imagine, or more morally ambiguous than they expect, the same audience that celebrated her return may become divided. Returning to Baris, the episode 10 reaction gives a clue about how Sivan could work. Viewers who responded strongly to his stage scene were not necessarily saying, he is the lead. They were saying, when he gets material, he can dominate emotionally. That is a different kind of praise. It suggests Baris' screen power may not depend entirely on plot size. If he can enter a scene late, carry emotional charge quickly, and leave an impression stronger than his screen time, then Sivan may become a useful bridge role rather than a wasted opportunity. For Yagmur, the Çiçekleri bridge is more ambitious because she is moving into a platform ensemble with actors such as Hazal Sabaysay, Kan Yildirim, and Damlasames. That means she will be evaluated in a more compressed dramatic environment than Çiçekleri, where hundreds of episodes allowed gradual adjustment. Streaming dramas usually demand faster definition. A character must become intriguing quickly because there is less time for viewers to forgive repetition. Hyle cannot rely on endless suffering. She needs function, mystery, and sharp writing. The irony is that both actors are now being measured by how much they can do with less. Baris must make Sivan matter without always being the central axis. Yagmur must make Hyle matter inside a story where she may not be the main protagonist, but may be the decisive disturbance. That is a more mature test than simple phantom romance. The real question is no longer whether Baris and Yagmur had chemistry together. The better question is whether each of them can create chemistry with the story itself.